Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your downloads folder in Windows 11 is acting up, maybe it's slow, not responding, or completely freezing, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I will walk you through multiple fixes that have worked for thousands of users. Stick with me till the end, and I promise you will get that folder working smoothly again. Alright, let's jump into the first method. Sometimes the downloads folder slows down because Windows is trying to optimize it for the wrong type of files. Here's what you need to do. Open File Explorer, then right-click on the Downloads folder, click on Properties, and go to the Customize tab. Now, under the line that says Optimize this folder for, select General Items from the drop-down menu. Make sure that Also Apply this template to all subfolders box is checked. Click Apply, then OK. Now close everything and reopen your Downloads folder to see if that fixed it. If that didn't solve it, no worries. Let's move on to the second method. This one involves clearing out any corrupted cache. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type in %local app data %/Microsoft/Windows/Explorer, then hit enter. You will see a bunch of files here. Look for ones that start with IconCache and ThumbCache. Select them all and delete them. Don't worry, Windows will rebuild these files automatically. After deleting these, restart your PC and try opening your Downloads folder again. Now still no luck. Let's try the third method, running a system file scan. Search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window that opens, type the following command, sfc/scanout, then hit Enter. This might take a few minutes, so let it finish completely. It will check for and repair any corrupted system files. Once it's done, restart your computer and test the Downloads folder again. Now here is another trick that works resetting folder views. Open File Explorer, click the three dots at the top and go to Options. Then in the Folder Options window, switch to the View tab. Click Reset Folders, then click Yes. Apply and OK. This resets all folder settings back to default, which can fix weird behavior, especially with the Downloads folder. Alright, the next method is to disable quick access. Sometimes Windows gets stuck trying to show recent files or folders. To turn it off, go back to File Explorer Options like we just did. And under the General tab, look for Open File Explorer to and change it from Quick Access to this PC. Also under Privacy, uncheck both boxes. Uncheck that boxes that says Show Recently Used Files and Show Frequently Used Folders, then click Clear Wipe out the Quick Access history. Click Apply and OK. Now try opening your Downloads folder again. Still having issues? Try creating a new Downloads folder and moving your files. Here's how. Go to C Users Your Name and create a new folder. Name it with something like Downloads 2. Then open your original Downloads folder, copy all your files, and paste them into the new folder. Now right-click the old Downloads folder, choose Properties, go to the Location tab, and click Move. Select the new folder and click Apply. Windows will now treat this as your main Downloads folder. Alright, I know that was a lot, but these methods usually fix the issue for most people. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you, or if you found another solution that helped. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want more easy Windows tutorials, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.